has led the Labor Party to an election win.
It has been a tremendous honour, opportunity and privilege.
The real business of APEC is finally underway as 21 world leaders sit down.
Queensland's Labor Premier for the past 9 years has announced that he'll retire on Thursday.
Queensland's first woman Premier gave us a look today at how she'll juggle home life with
The horse flu outbreak continues to go from bad to worse.
Hundreds of others are without power following severe storms in southeast Queensland. North Queensland and the Northern Territory are on cyclone alert this morning.
and the area goes silver. Operated with Michigan Silver back to when we first met back in 1999. Oh, you knew I was yours and I knew you were mine. Let's go back to when we first met back in 1999.
我行過嚟你啊！
For most of us, we can instantly remember where we were when we heard the news that Princess
10 years
Diana
ago,
was
here at Kensington Palace, this area was a sea of flowers.
Torrential rain has been blamed for a plane crash on the Thai island of Phuket.
Up to 4 Australians are still missing after a passenger jet burst into flames.
Friends of the late John Ilhan says he was first and foremost a family man.
Returning to our top story now, and as we said, another Australian soldier has been killed in Afghanistan for second this month.
This soldier was part of an Australian contribution to
The
that.
stage is set for Luciano Pavarotti's final moment in the spotlight. Scotland now of the church where his funeral will be held.
And the world champion Casey Stoner will be hoping to win. Round have won back-to-back Bathurst 1000 times.
Wrapping up the Origin series for history-making style at Telstra Stadium.